Hi everyone, this is Darcy. Today I'm going to review for you guys the Nebulyft N1 device, which is a radio frequency device from Rebecca Tech. On this video I'm going to show you a tutorial, my first impressions, all my thoughts about it, and I'm also going to compare to the R1 device that I also have reviewed on my channel before. So if you want to hear more about it, keep on watching. But before we get to this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Now let's get to it. This video is done in partnership with Nebulyft, and I'm super excited to do this video for you guys because I already loved R1 device, and I'm very grateful they sent me the N1 device to review for you guys as well. This will be my first impressions on the N1 device, and I will also show you before and afters at the end from my first use. But keep an eye on my channel because I will probably have future videos on the N1 as well, showing you more long-term before and afters. I'm going to start by sharing the information on the N1, and then I'm going to have the tutorial, and at the end I'll do a comparison of both devices. If you want to jump anywhere in the video, make sure to check on the timestamps below. The N1 device uses radio frequency, and radio frequency is a modality that uses heat to penetrate deep into the skin layer to stimulate collagen production. But the Nebulyft N1 goes beyond radio frequency and also offers other benefits for acne and even stretch marks, which we'll talk about during this video. The benefits of the N1 is that it has skin tightening for clearer facial lines. It also even helps with stretch marks, pore reduction, it erases and lessens nasolabial folds. It also helps with acne control, facial edema and reduction of swelling in your face because it's very anti-inflammatory. Also lessening of crow's feet, forehead lines, wrinkles, eye bags. And I also feel it does help with redness because when I was doing my tutorial, my face was really red from being sick, and the face was a lot brighter and calmer after the treatment. What is different about the Nebulyft N1 is that it's a very gentle radio frequency. It's a gentle but very powerful radio frequency that makes it heat up deeper into your skin layer, but it keeps a constant soothing heat on top of your skin layer that not cause any irritation. The type of radio frequency that it uses is a multipolar RF micro-electromechanical system technology, and that promotes the subcutaneous collagen tightening and regrowth without irritating the top layer of the skin, so it is safe for all skin types and even super sensitive skin. This device was created to be a part of a routine, so you have to be using it daily for 10 minutes. So it is different than other radio frequency devices where you have to use for a period of time and then you go into maintenance mode. This device is made to be a part of your routine and be used daily for 10 minutes. Also keeps the heat very constant of a temperature of 107.6 Fahrenheit or 42 degrees Celsius. It has 384 independent titanium micro RF dots. The benefit of having so many of these dots is that it makes a lot more precise on holding the heat, distributing the heat, and also makes a lot stronger. Also have a 3.27 inch head, and it's a black ceramic radio frequency panel that increases the surface area, keeping the heat and providing an increased comfort and temperature control. Having the head being bigger, I found, and you're going to see during the tutorial, that it covers a lot bigger areas faster, so you can actually get a faster treatment. I mean, the treatment is still 10 minutes, but I find that it covers a bigger area, so you are able to finish your whole face and neck in 10 minutes. And one device has 3 modes. Number 1 is sensitive, and you press this button here to turn it on. If you just press 1, this is the sensitive mode, and you can see there's only one light lighting. If you press it again, this is level 2, which is the neutral mode, and you can see there's 2 lights lighting. And then if you press it again, the whole circle is full, and that is the highest setting, the tolerance setting. The N1 is completely wireless, and all you need to do to charge is just put it on this charging port, sit it on top, and it will charge in 2 hours. The N1 is also water and dust proof. It has a 2-hour wireless charging time, and the battery lasts 1 hour, which gets to do 5 to 6 treatments. This device also has the app. So to access the app, you have to select the app and connect the device. And once you connect the device, it gives you all the information about battery life, also tells you the last time you connected, and you can shop on the app and give you information about sales. You can get tutorials on the app as well, and you can insert information about your skin. They also have launched some skincare products that I'm really loving. I love their coconut cleanser. It's super gentle, it's a foam, and actually leaves your skin hydrated and clean. I also love their conductive gel. It's super hydrating as well, and it works like a face treatment. It is expensive, but I find that it has been lasting me for a long time, this bottle, and is really soothing. But I'm going to do more tests with other conductive gels, and I'll let you know in the future which type of gels also work with the Nebulyft. Also love their mask. Botanical hyaluronic acid mask has a lot of great ingredients for calming the skin. It has hyaluronic acid, so it's very plumping. I love using after the treatment and makes your skin super bright and smooth and super hydrated. So I highly recommend their new skincare products that just launched. Now I'm going to jump into the tutorial, but I will fast forward a few times through the tutorial so it's not so long, because I do have a full tutorial with the R1 as well, and I'll leave all those links in the description box below, and you should be able to use the same areas. But I want to do a little bit of the tutorial to kind of tell you my first experience, if it feels different than the R1. I apologize for my voice, and I'm still a little sick, but it would be great to see if this device can make me look a little better, since I still don't feel my best. So now let's get to it. I'm going to start on level 2, but they advise to start on level 1 and progress your way to level 3, which is the more advanced mode. The gel directly on the device. I'm going to do a voiceover of this tutorial because I kind of repeat a lot of the things from these impressions, and I also have a full tutorial in real time with the R1. So basically my first impressions when I was doing it is that it is a lot hotter than the R1, and you can see my skin actually got red, and I'm on level 2. With the R1 I used even on level 5, and I did not get red. But even though my skin got red during the tutorial, the redness stopped as soon as I finished the treatment. You're gonna see on the before and after that the redness did not stay, so there were no irritation. Another thing I've noticed is that the head is so much bigger that a lot of times I did not have to do the circles. I can just do swiping motions, and it covered a bigger area as well, so I was able to finish the whole tutorial with face and neck in 10 minutes. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 as my treatment area, but you can always tailor and do this part separate or do the neck separate. So I'm gonna wash my face and come show you guys my after results. These are my immediate results right after I was done with the treatment. All I did was wash my face and take this before and after. The lighting is exactly the same, but you can see that my skin looks more glowy and brighter. I also look less tired, less puffy, and my face also looked less puffy and lifted. But this is only the first time use from only one use. You'll definitely see more long-term results once you use this device for at least 3 months, because that's how long it takes for collagen to build. But you can definitely see from one use, from being sick, I definitely look a lot better. The next day after the tutorial, my skin was not red, was not irritated, and I honestly felt a lot firmer, but I was a lot sicker. That's why I couldn't shoot. I've been so sick, guys, so I apologize for that. This whole month has been very, very hard for me, but trust me, I definitely felt like the results lasted. Now let's do a comparison side by side from the N1 to the R1. The main differences are the N1 has more of the dots. It has 384 titanium micro radio frequency dots, and the R1 has 256 gold micro RF dots. So they both work amazing, but having more of the dots again helps you have improved results, but they both work great. Also, the panel of the N1 is a ceramic panel and is a lot bigger. As you can see, you can visually see the heads are bigger, but also in size, the N1 ceramic panel is 3.26 square inch, while the R1 panel is 2.72 square inch. Another difference that I find with two devices is the actual way you turn it on. This one has an LED touch button, and this one you have to press it on the sides here to turn it on. And when you press this button here, it changes the settings to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one, you press this main LED panel here, press and hold. It turns it on, and then you press it gently to turn setting 1, 2, 3, and then to turn it off, you press and hold. So they do have that difference also on how to turn it on. But on that note, I have to be honest, I kind of prefer the way to turn on the R1 device, because whenever I'm doing my treatment, you have to be careful to hold the device like this, which is not hard. But you have to be careful not to touch the middle button, because it can be super sensitive and you can end up changing the modes. It's something I want to mention to you guys. When you're doing your treatment, make sure you hold the device like this, so you're not holding like this and accidentally pressing the panel. I feel like both these devices will benefit you for collagen production, wrinkles, even acne. But I find that because the N1 is a lot stronger, you will get those benefits a lot quicker, a lot faster. And that's, I think, is the main difference. This one will give you probably faster results and quicker results. I love that I can use in my body. The treatment is a lot faster, but it's quite expensive. I also love the R1. I think it's a very powerful device on its own. I saw amazing results as well, as you can see from my before and afters on the R1 dedicated video. So honestly, I think it comes down to your budget. If you have on your budget to get a stronger device, go ahead. I definitely think it's worth it. But if it's not within your budget, I honestly tell you can get amazing results with R1 as well. And I really love those two devices. I'm so excited to see what other devices Rebecca Tech will come up in the future, because they're really ahead of the curve. So I honestly highly recommend any one of those two devices. If you're interested on these devices, I do have a coupon code of Nebulyft, and I'll leave that on the description box below with all the information. But they're having amazing sales right now, and I always update you guys on this video with any future sales, so make sure to check them out. If you have any questions, please make sure to comment below. I love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. I hope you're healthy and safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.